Managing your inbox effectively is key to maintaining productivity and staying on top of your tasks. One powerful feature that Gmail offers to keep your inbox organized is the ability to create folders. But in Gmail, these folders are actually called labels. In this video, we'll walk you through the process of creating and managing labels in Gmail. Step-by-step guide creating folders in Gmail. Hi, I'm Allie from Hiver. Today we'll be focusing on how to use labels in Gmail to effectively organize your inbox and keep track of important emails. So let's get started. Step 1. Understanding labels in Gmail. Before we start creating labels, it's important to understand how they work. Labels in Gmail work like folders, but with a twist. One email can have multiple labels. This feature offers a more flexible way to categorize and find your emails. Think of labels as tags that you can add to an email to categorize and organize it. Step 2. Creating a new label. Creating a new label in Gmail is straightforward. Here's what you need to do. Open your Gmail account, click the plus sign that you can find right next to labels, name the label, and click Create. And there you go. You've created a new label. Step 3. Applying labels to emails. Now that you've created a label, you can start applying it to your emails. To do this, open an email, click on the Labels button at the top, and select the label you want to apply. You can also drag and drop emails into labels in the left sidebar. Step 4. Managing and customizing labels. Gmail offers several options to manage and customize your labels. You can change the color of a label, which can be a great way to visually categorize your emails. You can also choose whether a label shows up in the sidebar or in the Labels menu. To customize a label, hover over it in the sidebar, click the three-dot menu, and select Label Color or Edit. Step 5. Using labels for better email management. Labels can dramatically improve your email management. You can use them to categorize emails by project, importance, or any other way that suits your needs. With Hiver, a powerful email collaboration tool, you can take this functionality to the next level. Share labels seamlessly with your team, fostering collaboration without the need for external applications. Hiver integrates directly into your Gmail interface, making it a natural extension of your existing workflow. Experience enhanced collaboration, transparency, and efficiency with Hiver, and say goodbye to cluttered inboxes and disjointed team communication. Visit www.hiverhq.com if you'd want to take Hiver for a spin. And that's it. That's how you create and manage labels in Gmail to keep your inbox organized. We hope this step-by-step guide helps you to improve your email management and productivity. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more practical guides. And don't forget to leave us a comment below to let us know what other topics you'd like us to cover. Also, be sure to check out our free guide on organizing your Gmail inbox within 15 minutes. This guide offers 17 easy strategies that will show you how to sort your Gmail inbox in 15 minutes or less. Remember, the more effectively you can organize your Gmail, the more productive you can be. So start creating and using labels today and take your email management to the next level. See you in the next video.